Okay, we're going to be talking about capacity. And another word for capacity, does anybody know another word for capacity? So if I told you capacity is how much something will hold, what's another word we can use for capacity? Volume, okay? How much something can hold is volume. And when we do that, what helps us remember, everybody turn over to the back side of your paper, the blank side, or find a piece of paper, something. Turn over your paper to the blank side. We are going to use the gallon guy. Has anyone ever used the gallon guy before? Okay. We're going to write a really big G. Okay? We're going to write a really big G. And that's going to stand for gallon. So that's our biggest measurement for capacity or volume. Okay, I'm waiting for everyone to be quiet so that we can hear and understand. Okay, so we ask ourselves, first of all, we're going to take the next part down from that, and we're going to ask ourselves how many, does anyone know the next measurement after gallon? No, that's in the metric system. We're using customary or standard. So anybody can tell me, oh, there's a class going to computer lab, so just ignore them. Kind of noisy, but what's my next measurement after gallons? Okay, my next measurement is going to be quarts. So there are 4 of these in a gallon, so make big Q's. Okay, there are 4 quarts in a gallon. What's our next unit? Does everybody have that? The 4 Q's. Okay, what's our next measurement after quarts? Roland, pints. So there are 2 pints in every quart. Okay? Keep going. And then what's the next one? Cups. There are 2 cups in each pint. Okay? And then one thing you need to understand is, well, yeah, that's good. The weird thing is we can convert our volume, which is really tricky with customary. We can convert our volume into weight, which is strange, okay? So 1 cup equals 8 ounces, 2 cups equal a pound, okay? So I don't think we'll need that today. Oh yeah, we do. So we need to go off to the side that 1 cup equals 8 ounces. And OZ means ounces. Okay? So we'll need to know that. 1 cup equals 8 ounces. Because all of a sudden we're going to throw weight in there. Does not make sense. But here we are. What?
But don't different liquids weigh like a gallon?
Yeah, but they just do that. It's just what it is.
Can we keep going?
I know, it doesn't make sense, does it?
Like liquid metal.
I know. That's how we work it, though. It is just bizarre. It's bizarre. Okay, it's what we did over here. Metric would make more sense. Okay, now I'm going to ask you how many quarts are in a gallon. When I snap, tell me. Ready? How many quarts are in a gallon?
2.
How many of the Q's? 1, 2, 3, 4. In our whole gallon right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. This whole G means 1 gallon. Okay, ready again? How many quarts in a gallon? 4. How many pints in a gallon? Ready? 8. How many cups in a gallon? Ready? 16. So if I was doing a party and everyone was going to get 1 cup of punch, how many people could I serve with a gallon of punch? 16 people. Okay? All right, how many ounces in a cup? Ready? 8. How many ounces in a gallon? Ooh, figure it out on your whiteboard. How many ounces in a gallon? Let's be working it out. I'm watching people not work. If I have 1 cup is 8 ounces, how many cups are there in a whole gallon, Stetson?
16.
How many cups?
16.
Okay, so if there's 8 ounces in 1, how many would be in a gallon? What would I take? 16 times 8. Okay, 8 times 6 is 48. Carry the 4. So how many ounces are in a gallon? 128 ounces.
What?
Right?
No.
48, 8 times 1 is 8 plus 4 is 12. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Okay? All right. Everybody see that? How many quarts would be in a half a gallon? How many quarts would be in a half a gallon? How many quarts in a half a gallon? 2. Okay. How many pints in a half a gallon? 4. So if I took this and split it in half, I'm only going to be looking at this half a gallon. See how handy this is? And if I took this and split this in half, we could split it in half either way. Okay? We're just looking at half of it. All right. So if I had 2 gallons, 2 of these G's, how many quarts would be in 2 gallons? Ready? Think about it.
Wait, what?
How many quarts would be in 2 gallons? Ready? Think about it. How many quarts are in 1 gallon? 4. Okay. How many would be in 2 gallons? Think about it. When I snap, you can say it. Ready? 8. Good. How many pints would be in 2 gallons? Ready?
$16.
16. How many cups would be in 2 gallons? Think about it. Ready? 32. Good. All right, let's go to the front of your paper. And guess what we get to draw again? We're going to draw the G in this square. Okay? So make it big so you can get everything in there. Oops.
I'm gonna make the smallest chicken.
Now we're not letting me draw. Oh, I hate when it does this. Why does it do this? I think it only likes to be open in one thing. Now I just lost my... You guys are doing a great job. I know it. I just lost mine.
I can't.
It doesn't like when I go in between things. You better hustle, hustle, hustle. Okay, there we go. Let's just turn on my marker. My computer just goes so slow. So slow. Does not, okay, let's cross our fingers that this works. Oh, it's not working. Urgh. Okay, we're just gonna stop this.